Hello my friend, and have a nice day to you. And here is really the car doctor Peter Finn. And today I am planning to you information that when I and you should to replace my car or truck's this transmission, this automatic transmission and gearbox or manual gearbox. And like in that my case, this Honda Civic case, there is a situation that in this my Honda it needs new automatic transmission. And what are those signs and informations to you that when you should to replace new or used transmission to your car or truck? Okay, sorry. And there is at least 3 things when we need to replace our car's transmission and gearbox. And first thing is that, of course, that this our car's transmission normally fails to work. And this means that in automatic transmission cases we can notice that when normally we install gear D or like gear 2, we can notice that now there is something slippery and car moves really slowly forward, even that we are pressing gas pedal very hard and revs are high. And this might be very familiar to you, my friend, that when you have automatic transmission, you install D and then normally cars moves fast away and then suddenly this car is really slowly. It is like slow moving and it goes forward. And then we have situation that this our cars, these automatic transmission clutch plates, they are too worn out. And there is repair that we can install new clutch plates or then we can purchase used automatic transmission in USA. And in USA, if we are owner of like Toyota or Honda Civic cars, we can get these used automatic transmissions really easily, because in USA we have like millions of Honda Civic cars where is this automatic transmissions. And every day at least couple of these Hondas goes to crash or small crash or big crash, and then these recycle centers, cars recycle centers, they take that automatic transmission in store and they keep that in here and then they sell those used but good quality used parts to us. And we only need to go to Google search and install that used Honda Civic automatic transmission, and then we can see a lot of these transmissions and we only order used automatic transmission to our garage. And this is the first point that what is wrong in our automatic transmission or gearbox, that this gearbox is not working properly way and it is not taking the speed. And this is the first point. Then second point is, like in that my Honda Civic case, that this our gearbox is keeping bad sound. It is noisy and we can hear something new sound what takes to our hearing. And it is really bad. Because in that my case, I believe that this my Honda Civic's automatic transmission keeps bad sound because there is 1 or 2 bearings, they are bad and they are too worn out, and when this automatic transmission is running and rolling, these bearings keep bad sound what takes to my hearing, and there is very difficult to listen in this cabin area this music because this automatic transmission is so noisy. But this my automatic transmission is still working. I can drive this my car within 60 miles and it runs, but it is noisy. And this is the second thing when we need to replace our car's gearbox, this manual or automatic gearbox, when this gearbox becomes too noisy. This is the second one. This third point. First one was that this automatic transmission or gearbox is not working anymore, that we can't drive. It is normal in automatic transmission that car is like standing in point. Okay, and then third thing, one, two, three, that when we need to replace this our car or truck's automatic transmission or gearbox is that we have oil and fluid leaks. We have this fluid leak in like this our transmission and gearbox, and it means that when we are in garage or in our garden or road, we can see in this floor area in here that there are oil leaks, and this oil comes from either this engine or the gearbox, and we can right away see that if engine is in that area in here and this automatic transmission is in here and leaks drops in that area, then we can notice that hey, now this fluid and this transmission fluid goes out in this automatic transmission or gearbox, and that's we need to replace this gearbox if it leaks too much oil to ground, because it is not nice that all of our house, these outer areas are full of fluid. And this is the third point. And then fourth point, what could be fourth point? It is sometimes if we have some new automatic transmission, there is so much electronic and those sensors inside this automatic transmission that these sensors can go bad in some cars. And this is the fourth point, that when we test with testers this our automatic transmission, then we can see that hey, now there are some solenoids or sensors are bad, and these sensors, they can be so costly and so difficult to replace and change that it is more wiser to get some used gearbox and install it back in our car. Okay, and there was all of those 4 points, and my friend, thank you for watching, and I hope that you are happy and more wiser, and see you in next movie, and please positive and smiley your friends, and I try to be similar, and see you again, and have a nice day to you and your family.